Ja, the waterfall. A little bit. So the last time I came to the waterfall, guys, I started to vlog. The video is actually on my channel, but it's private, right? And this is where I came and my phone dropped along the way. But today, you see the mood good. I got a new phone and everything and everything and everything. So, okay. You're finally here, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Now I have to climb. Let me have to cross a bamboo bridge. So the bridge. I just hope so my phone ain't dropped today. You see? Hold on.
Oh my God!
This island is mine. Eh, eh. Anyway, there is our next fall at the top. So I'm gonna go at the top first, and then we're gonna come down at the bottom to bathe. So we're going up on the top now. Listen, I didn't get to vlog myself when I was in the water because there are people in the falls, but I make sure that I clip from the bottom falls to insert for you guys to see. It's so nice.
Mountains, aye, man, woman, try, brown, VINCY, hands hands up high and let me hear you say, somebody take me home, somebody take me home, somebody take me home, somebody take me home. So many places in the world, so many beautiful things to see, but none of it compares to home. I'm from paradise, SPG, so from the hills to the mountains, high, high, high. Every man, every woman, every child. If you want to be VINCY, put your hands up high and let me hear you say, this island is mine. Jump and say, jump and say, jump and say, this island is mine. Jump and say, jump and say, jump and say, this island is mine. Jump and say, jump and say, jump and say, this island is mine. Wait and say, wait and say. Take a drive to the countryside, drop the window and feel the vibe. There's no other place I'd rather be. Me VINCY girl by my side. I tell them all the while, we don't have no gold nor oil, but we have wonderful people rich with beautiful smiles. From the hills to the mountains, high, high, high. Every man, every
Guys, we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. We came a little bit late, right? We came at 4:12, and we didn't know that they closed at 4:30, but the accommodators, the workers were really nice accommodators. Now if you want to come here, it's basically $5 per person, and listen to me guys, it was wonderful. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Also let me know what type of video you want to see me doing next in the comment section. I would be said.